Hi guys, here I am again, the last part of my rehab of my 915 Lionel standard gauge tunnel. I had to sew it, stitch it, blow it all back up again. It was bad shape. I didn't really paint anything, I just left everything white. A little bit of plaster. That was it. Put it on the floor today and wanted to see a train running through it. Okay. It came out pretty good. All in all. Train that's running is a 390E. With a combination car behind it. It's a 419. It's a nice looking car. The observation. It's a 490. Nice looking car. I'm not sure if these are original or not. I don't think so. But let's put it this way. I know they're repainted, but I'm not sure if they were originally green or not. And this one is one that really surprised me when I went there and I found it. I've been searching for one of these for a long, long time. Let me adjust this. Ugh. It's a 431. The dining car. A little kitchen. Chairs and tables. Has the hinged roof. Opens and closes. After you're done with that, done looking, put the screws back in. Combo cars, very nice also. Whoever did these redid them pretty nice. Really did. Nice job. Find all three of these at the show. It was a 2-day show up in Monroeville, the Greenberg show. That's Monroeville, Pennsylvania. That's making all the noise right here, by the way. My pellet burner. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you an update on the tunnel. Come out pretty cool. As always, thank you for watching. Keep them running. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Have a great day. Bye.